see land. Day 3 of our cruise. Mexico. Last time we were here was 2.5 years ago in Mexico. Time for salsa and salsa. Apparently the resort's only 10 minutes away. We should clean up the room and pack up for the day. It's like an old royal ship. A really old royal ship. What is it? Oh, that's like the oldest one, right? Oh, yeah. Not very grandeur. That's hard to say. It's like a beautiful day in Mexico. What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the Dutch things.
Ooh, avocado toast. Is it good, Landon? Ooh, she is bright. Wow, the water is so blue. This looks like a different port. Last time we were at a port with like a mall that we walked through. It's a lot prettier. Hard Rock, Margaritaville. I don't know what that is over there. I thought that was thatched roof. That's beautiful. Say laws. Phil, laws. Are you ready?
Come on down, put your shoes on, honey.
You look tired.
You got salsa to make.
We're making salsa and quesadillas in Mexico. And 4 steps to do the salsa. It's like step, step together. Step, step together. Step, step together.
Oh, I thought like the food salsa.
It's both.
Wait, what the?
We're
Step,
dance.
Step together. Step, step.
No. Step,
Wait,
lift
we're gonna
up,
learn how to
together.
make food salsa while
Step,
dancing to
lift
the
up,
salsa.
together. You got it. Yeah. We're going to be doing salsa and eating salsa and making salsa and eating quesadillas. And I'm bringing our snorkeling set so we can snorkel because the water is so blue in Mexico, in Cozumel. It's only 10 minutes to a resort. It's the biggest pool in Cozumel, Landon. Let's see that. Ready? See your footwork. Da. This was an excursion we booked through Disney. We met at Sarabi at 9:30, and here's all the information. They say that you can spend an hour after at the largest pool in Cozumel, and we met out in front of the ship, and they got us there pretty quickly. Sometimes these things can be hurry up and wait, but this got us to the resort pretty quickly. That's a window that we're going to. Cozumel Hotel and Resort window.
Everybody can hear me?
Yes.
Excelente. Okay. So the first and the most important thing is welcome to Cozumel. My name is Rosie.
Say hi, y'all.
I know that
You can buy Chinese stuff right here in Mexico. That's cute. Remember that margarita we had at that place, Phil? It kept on pouring the tequila in, and like it was just like water. Yeah. Oh, there's our ship. That's pretty. It has a lazy river? Wow, that's gonna be fun. Look, there's like Mexican. Oh, there's all.
for the parent because they connect. And this restaurant is the restaurant for the resort.
Oh.
So the parent they can feel safely.
So there, listen, do you hear the road above us? Are we sitting here? Say hola. Put Lana.
Two.
Put Lana in the middle.
Yeah, we'll land in the middle.
Wow. Any water. It's tequila.
Tequila.
Look at Dad. Our dad needs a bigger hat.
Table during the day, we will say how that happens. Is your table base that very small inside?
Oh yeah, Landon, you're ready.
Now you're gonna be standing with your feet about a foot apart. You're gonna imagine or picture a number 8 sideways or the infinity sign, and that's the movement your hips are going to make. So stand on your hips like a number 8. There, open up your face. We're all ready. Now we're getting into the most important part of this drink. Just for my drinkers. You have 2 shots in front of the coffee
Thank
cup in
you.
the same. Or for the margaritas, you can also use triple scotch.
Good.
Dinero.
Dinero.
We always want the drink from
That's
her.
divine.
And that's
Divine.
my
Yeah. If you do that, you'll get garlic in your eye.
Okay, then you dice.
Dice your onions.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, cut. Keep your fingers away. Here, let me show you how to do it.
We're not doing the
Good job.
one.
Yeah. Remember, open it up so all the juice goes up. Beautiful. 2 limes. Don't eat it. Throw it in the trash.
See what a masterpiece ours is. How spicy is it?
A culinary masterpiece. It's not too spicy. Just a little bit on the tongue. Wow, it's really raining now.
I need a good drink prepared.
Okay. What do you think? Culinary masterpiece? I think it's really yummy. It's a little spicy. Not too spicy, right?
Yes, it lives up to its name. A masterpiece.
Maybe.
Unless we go to El Gran, never quesadillas.
Oh my gosh. That quesadilla is so good, Lana.
Cilantro salsa.
It's
With a little
cilantro.
bit of avocado. It's cilantro salsa with a little bit of avocado.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be in the water the next 2 days. We get a little water time at the pool. The pineapple salsa.
Come on, give us salsa. Like Coke.
And we still have 2 secret ingredients for you today. The
Too
first
secret.
one is rum poppy. Have you ever heard of it?
She said it's the best ice cream you're ever gonna taste. Lana looks like
I don't know.
a prairie
I
girl.
don't know. It's hard to tie with banana. I bet banana's good.
You like banana ice cream?
Oh, that is really good.
That's
man.
really good. What do you think?
Delicious. It's really nice over there.
For example, in front we have a ship. This is our ship side.
Ship side.
Over there we have the beautiful Caribbean Sea. This is sea side ship side.
Not gonna do it?
Don't look at it. I will break it for you.
You feeling
If you
sick?
have a count one, this is the regular back in front. We did it before, okay? The second time I count, I will change numbers for words and sounds like this.
Like a
Turn
gesture?
it. When I say turn it, our right foot is going to point to the seaside, and that will allow us to go all the way back to the free side, shake side. Should we try this? And 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, right, front, 2, go. Right, front, left foot, right, front, left foot. And we are big ole.
Aaron is so upset that this is all I care about is swimming. I like to swim a lot. I took swim classes since I was 1. Are you still doing swim classes? No, we took a little break of it. Oh, I'm done with it.
You didn't bring your flippers. Are those yours? Those are yours. Oh, regular goggles? Regular goggles? So the edge of the pool was white and it was crumbling. Hola. And somehow ended up in her bathing suit in her bottom.
Wow.
Yeah, we had to get like toilet paper and like clean it all out. It's like white crumbly stuff, like the pool deck. That was a rough place. Don't you think?
I like the pool.
The pool was nice, except for crumbly stuff. See a little bit of the treasure. Man, I got a lot of rain. That place looks cool, the Sunset Restaurant.
Yeah.
We are tired and salsa'd out. I wonder if the dream will be a Grand Cayman. They're probably on the same itinerary as we are, right? They might be a Grand Cayman tomorrow. The Disney dream. The Disney treasure.
It's not raining in the Grand Cayman tomorrow.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. I haven't checked the weather yet.
Didn't we had fun? We got this special offer. It's $25 for 30 pieces of wash and fold. Or just one bag, it says, Phil. All right, let's see what we can do. I was going to do laundry, so this is nice. Okay, you like the dessert?
And being captain and the guacamole. Those are the only three I liked.
What about the pool?
That wasn't part of Salsa.
It was what?
That was the pool, the four things. Pool, pool, guacamole, being captain, and dessert.
Okay, but the pool actually that was crumbling off and got into your bathing suit and hurt bad. But other than that, what was your review, Dottie?
I think it's a pretty good excursion. Like the salsa making was a lot of fun.
It was
The
a
salsa
lot of
dancing was
fun.
a lot of fun.
Yeah.
The pool thing, like no one went to but us.
Yeah.
And that part wasn't. I mean, we had an hour to pool. It was fine, but
Yeah, it was an okay pool.
Yeah.
I think the resort's seen better days.
the resort has seen better days.
But it was good culturally, like to be like Cozumel isn't that nice of a pool, but
Yeah, it's not. I would recommend Salsa and Salsa somebody, but
I wouldn't do it again, but I would recommend
Yeah.
it. Yeah, it was fun. All right, we're off to Palo Lounge.
come on.
Landon,
man. Focus on you.
Landon had her
delivered
dinner, and we're headed out. It is Palo night. Got my fancy dress on, feeling pretty. I'm still full. We basically ate from 11 till 2, and it was 6 salsas, quesadillas, chips, chicken taquitas, guacamole. It was a lot of food. It was a lot of food. So I'm hoping that I'm hungry in 45 minutes. So I'm going to go have a Cosmo in the lounge, and then we are off to Palo for the night. Lana has a boyfriend named Wyatt. So she is wearing the exact same outfit with her hair exactly the same way. So Wyatt can recognize her. 7 years old, it's starting.
About the message of your Cosmo, wait your presence.
Thank you. What is spaghetti and meatball taco? That sounds disgusting. I wonder if it's the same every night. The vegetarian moussaka sounds good. Maybe we should come in here for evening menu from 5 to 8. It's a gold drink?
Same drink as before, except in different color.
We'll be on her next year, Phil. On the back of the ship, looking at fjords.
That's the one we'll be on next year for the viewers.
Yeah, the dream. And we'll be at the Meridian Bar. That's why I don't know if we need to do concierge.
It was wet.
Oh, look at the carpet. By the Hideaway Hero Zone. The rose. That's cool. Hana hana. Hana hina hana. It's exactly like the Wish.
Is it?
Yeah. remember I was on the Wish. I came to the bar the first night on the Wish.
Oh, that's right.
That's a weird bell.
Picture.
Oh wait, this is different. I think the Wish was a red. I was still full from Salsa Salsa. I do not recommend having a delicious Palo meal after this excursion. One of my best tips for Palo is to find out when sunset is on your sailing and night you want, and try to get it scheduled for that night. And Palo added these little benches for your purse, which is amazing. Every restaurant needs it. I would like to see a menu change, maybe like an eggplant parmesan, something for some vegetarians. It's been the same for a while. I requested the amuse-bouche gnocchi with the tomato sauce instead of the mushroom because I don't care for mushroom. And I got a delicious caprese, but they actually added a smocked, I think he said, salt, and it added so much to it. It was delicious. They raised the blinds when the sun wasn't so blinding, and we could watch the sunset from this beautiful window. I got the penne pasta and requested they not make it spicy. My husband had a steak. We got the dessert, tiramisu, and the souffle, and oh my gosh, they had to roll us out of this restaurant. We picked up our daughter, and that was it for day 3 on the Disney Treasure. Next video is in Grand Cayman, where we do an excursion with stingray and starfish. So come back, and we'll see you then. This is the best vacation ever.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.